In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to turn a board into a clean, shareable form so anyone can submit information that flows straight into your workflow. Start by opening the board where you want responses to land. Remember, the form will mirror the columns on this board, so pick the board that already has the fields you need, like text, status, numbers, or dates. If a column exists on the board, it can become a question on your form, which keeps everything organized and consistent. Next, look to the top of your board for the Views menu and click the plus sign labeled Add View. From the list, choose Form. This creates a new form view tied to your board. Monday.com instantly builds a basic form using your columns, so you're not starting from scratch. Now it's time to customize your form fields. Each column from the board appears as a question you can rename, reorder, or hide. Drag fields to arrange the flow and toggle off any columns you don't want visible to submitters. For clarity, update question labels to be user-friendly without changing your internal column structure. If a field is essential, mark it as required so you always get the information you need. Many column types map nicely. Text for open responses, drop-downs or statuses for predefined choices, dates for scheduling, and numbers for budgets or quantities. Add short descriptions or placeholders where available to guide people on what to enter. The goal is to make completing the form quick and unambiguous. Before sharing, adjust your form settings. Decide who can submit, anyone with the link or only people within your account, depending on your privacy needs. Choose how and when notifications should go out so the right teammates are alerted when a new submission arrives. You can also set a confirmation message to reassure submitters their entry was received or redirect them to a helpful page after submission. These options help control access, streamline follow-up, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. When you're happy with the setup, copy the form link and share it with others. You can paste it into an email, a chat, or a project brief, wherever your audience will see it. It's a good idea to open the link yourself and submit a quick test to verify the responses appear on the board exactly as expected. From here on, every submission becomes a new item on your board, ready for tracking, assignment, and next steps. And if you ever need to tweak the form, just return to the form view. Changes update instantly for anyone with the link.